Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I want to share a quick tip with you guys and well, how can we get up to 40% longer battery life on the cabs and throttles that we use? Well, first off, it's nothing secret, nothing magical, but the trick is all in the batteries. I like to use rechargeable batteries because you never run out. You always have a pair at hand that are fully charged. They're cheaper in the long run and they're good for the environment, so why not? So one thing many people don't realize is that rechargeable batteries have a different capacity rating. So if we look at this one, the capacity rating is 2000 milliamp hours. So this can do for 1 hour 2000 milliamps, or for let's say 10 hours it can do 200 milliamps. So let's have a look at these batteries. These have a larger storage capacity. It's 2450 milliamps. So this can give energy for a longer period of time than these. So by just choosing the right batteries, you can get up to 40% longer cab life. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you want more quick tips like this.